Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys here for an awesome Publix haul. Publix is probably one of my favorite stores to coupon at. Guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button and also click the notification bell to all so you know when all my videos are coming up. Also, please join me on Instagram and Facebook as I'll be sharing all of my deals in picture format. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started on our amazing Publix haul that we did on the 11th of May. So I love this haul because it's a very practical haul, guys. We're getting things that we really need, and that's what I love about couponing. I'm not always just buying things that I can, put on a shelf and it looks nice. I'm buying things for my family that we'll use. So right now, of course, we always need ketchup. In my house, we use about a bottle of ketchup a week. We also have a pork tenderloin there. I plan to make some waffles for breakfast for the kiddos. We're also going to have this watermelon for dinner. There's some Baby Bell cheeses, coffee, applesauce, and then some naan bread to make some chicken curry for my kiddos. They love chicken curry. So guys, please check this stuff out. I think I spent all in all less than $16 for everything. Alright guys, our winner for our giveaway that was done on Monday for our CVS video was Amy Stotts. Amy Stotts, am I saying that right? Amy, please make sure that you email me. My email is praisingandsaving@gmail.com. If you need some help with that, please look in my description box for the email. I'm not able to tag you or email you directly. You have to email me, and then I'll give you that $10 Walmart e-gift card. Guys, if you are interested in our giveaway that I'll be doing this weekend for Walmart, please go ahead and type in gift card in the comments for me, and I'll be sure to put your name in the giveaway round. The very first deal that we're doing is this fresh cut up watermelon, guys. This is, of course, a no coupons needed deal. I love fresh cut up fruit for my kids. It's so easy for me. I put it on the table at supper time, and I guarantee you this whole bowl is going to be gone in a matter of minutes. And this is the large bowl of watermelon, too. So the red seedless watermelon chunks, they are on sale, and they're BOGO. So they're $3.99 a pound. And they're buy one, get one free. Now, the one I picked up had a $10 price sticker on it. Guys, you know we're not going to spend $10 on some cut up watermelon. But what happened was, because they were buy one, get one free, it was $5. And I love this because it's already cut up, ready to go, and my kids will eat it all. The next thing is this naan bread, this stone fire naan bread. Guys, I have this coupon you see on the screen for $1 off, and the coupon is in my printable breakdown, so be sure to go click on my printable breakdown in the description box and you'll be able to find this coupon. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick up this naan bread. They are usually $4.89, but they are buy one get one free this week. It's going to make one of these $2.45 each. Then we're going to use this $1 off coupon that I got from the Stonefire website, also linked in the description box, printable breakdown. It's going to make each of these just $1.45. Great deal on some naan bread. Now, this is a deal I did not expect. I was really excited about this. This is the 8 o'clock coffee. I just stumbled across this because I saw it in my IBOTTA. This is another no coupons needed deal, but we will be using IBOTTA, and the great thing about this is it can be done up to 5 times in the transaction. I only got one box of coffee. So this 8 o'clock coffee is usually $8 a box. K-Pods, all that's very expensive. But we're going to be getting this coffee for $2.50. So we're picking up one of these at $4 each. We're going to submit our receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back, making each of these just $2.50. Remember, I said you can do this up to 5 times, so go ahead and stock up on some coffee. Now we have another no coupons needed deal on this Heinz tomato ketchup. These are 2 for $4. I like this size ketchup, especially because my kids, we all use so much ketchup in our house, and we also go down to the pool and take food down there with us. These are the medium-sized bottles, I think you would say. And so these are 2 for $4. No coupons needed on this deal. I think these are usually about $3.75 each, but you're saving $1.75 today, and you can pick up one for $2 or 2 for $4. It doesn't matter, but $2 each on a bottle of ketchup, especially in the summertime, and no coupons needed. I definitely will take this deal, no problem. Now, the next thing that we're getting is something I absolutely needed. One of my kiddos is having oral, orthodontist type work, and so I needed some applesauce for him. So this Muscle Man's applesauce. These are usually, I think, $3 each, but we are going to be using the sale of buy two. It's only $4 or $2 each, and then we have a $1 off coupon when we buy two. So you're gonna be getting these for just $1.50 each. So buy two at $2 each, which would be $4. Use this $1 off coupon, bringing it down to $3 or $1.50 for each container of applesauce. And there are 6 containers in this pack. Now, this is the next deal. Now, there's some deals on different types of pork this week, but my kiddos do like a pork tenderloin, so I thought I will pick this up and be very practical. This is a no coupons needed deal. I've never tried this. This is the Hatfield all natural pork tenderloins. These are usually $10 each, but they are buy one get one free this week, making each of these pork tenderloins just $5 each. I thought this is a pretty good deal because you don't need coupons, and also usually when I buy the other pork tenderloins that I get all the time, I think the Smithfield brand, I usually spend when they're on sale about $4, so not too bad of a deal to get these for half off. BOGO. All right, the next thing that we're getting is probably my deal of the day, and this is going to be on the Vans Waffles. Now, the coupon for the Vans Waffles is linked in the printable breakdown, so check that out in the description box. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up one of these Vans Waffles. Now, they're $3.49 usually, but they're buy one get one free, making them just $1.75 each. We have a $1 off coupon that is printable from the it's from the Grocery Coupon Network website, and I also linked it in the printable breakdown if you don't know that website. Taking $1 off of these, and this coupon can be printed up to 2 times, making each box of Vans Waffles just 75 cents. I'm going to try the blueberry ones. Now, this next deal is a little annoying because it is a Swagbucks deal. Guys, I will give you a bit of advice. Anytime you have Swagbucks, I always tell people to put it on its own receipt. When you add it up on the other receipts with everything else, it kind of gets bogged down. But the Swagbucks deal, if you buy 2 of them, you'll get $6 back. Like I said, try to ring this up on its own. That will make sure that you get your $6 back. So each of these Baby Bell cheeses are going to be $3.74 or $7.48 for the both of them. Getting back that $6 will make them $1.48 for the both of them, or about 74 cents each. 74 cents on Baby Bell cheese is pretty awesome. Now, guys, again, this is everything that we got today at Publix. Amazing haul. I spent less than $16 for these things here, and a lot of things that we need, guys. We got meat, we got fresh fruit, we got breakfast items, I got coffee, I got things I need for my kid because of his mouth. But check it all out. Also, make sure that you comment gift card in the comments so I can enter your name in the next giveaway. And remember, if you are Amy Stotts, please make sure that you send me an email so I can get your Walmart gift card to you. All right, guys, we'll be heading into Walmart this weekend and trying to finish up this springtime bonus that I have. All right, we'll see you next time in the Walmart video. Thanks, guys.